Month by month, Villanova is transforming into a vibrant villa community. And the progress that is happening right now is something you can truly feel. Villanova is attracting buyers who want more than just a house. They want a lifestyle defined by privacy, design, and community. Engineer Bright,
How you doing?
So tell me, what exciting new development is happening this month?
Okay, so the momentum on site is highly encouraging regarding our last report. And when you check the driveway slab, you can see that it's actually in shape. And at the zone 1, we have erected most of the columns.
That is amazing.
Yes, so we are moving. When you check zone 2, we started with the tiling work, and we are currently at the first floor, washrooms. And at the down, we started with the waterproofing, the tie beams. At the same time, we are doing hardcore filling. And at the zone 3, we started with the block works.
Wow, that's amazing work. Now tell me, what should we expect next month?
Okay, so at the rooftop, we'll start waterproofing the entire area of the rooftop before we can start with the tiling work.
Oh my God, so that's amazing. That's amazing work. Yeah.
Good. So the next time you come, we'll make sure you see a tremendous progress report.
I am particularly excited about the show house. So, engineer, thank you so much for your updates. We'll see you next month.
You're always welcome.
All right. Villanova is taking shape beautifully, and the opportunity to own is still open. Reach out to our team today and discover how you can secure a unit before availability becomes even more limited. My name is Dorothy Indidikojo, property consultant here at Val Real Estate. You can follow us on all social media platforms for more information.